Welcome to this tutorial on using the Badges module in the BBKids admin panel and the My School app. Today we'll focus on how teachers and center heads can manually assign badges to students. There are two types of badges: automatically assigned badges, which are based on rankings in the leaderboards, and manually assigned badges, which can be assigned by teachers and center heads. First, we'll define a badge and grant the appropriate permissions. To do this, go to the Badges module in the BBKids admin panel and click on Add Badge. Enter a name and description for the badge. Toggle the button to allow or not allow permission for teachers to assign this badge. On means the teacher can assign the badge. Upload a badge image and hit Save. Once the badge is defined in the BBKids admin panel, the next step is to assign it through the app. Next, let's see how to assign badges using the My School app. When you log in as a center head in the My School app, you will see a module called Badges in the left panel. Open the Badges module to see a list of students who have received the badge for the selected batch and month. Tap on the Assign Badge button to see a list of students in the batch. Select a student to see a list of badges that can be assigned to this student. Usually, it is expected that the badge image is self-explanatory. However, if you wish, you can tap on the badge icon to view more details. Select a badge and hit the Assign button. If the badge was assigned successfully, a pop-up with an appropriate message will appear. When you assign a badge to a student, the parents of the student receive an instant notification. Upon opening the app, parents are welcomed with a nice award animation. Parents can navigate to the Badges module to see all the badges earned by the student. Badges earned by students are also visible to other users in the leaderboards and rankings modules. Thank you for watching this tutorial on using the Badges module. We hope this helps you in effectively assigning and managing badges for your students. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.